Acha.
And Daljit Kohli to help us through this trading session, the last half hour of it. Good afternoon to both of you. Jagan, what a strong day, what a strong way to end a Diwali year.
Yeah, almost it's appearing like a fairy tale. I think everything that was expected is falling in place, and nothing is going wrong. And be it QE2 or be it core India listing, be it overall market, I think almost everything set for good. Let's hope the good times will survive a little longer.
Reliance Industries today, nice pop-up. You're gaining almost 3.5% more than that actually, almost 4 now.
Yeah, the overall market momentum is also showing up on Reliance, because it has been a frustrating time for many investors who have been waiting for this stock to move. It has been in the portfolios of many mutual funds, HNIs and every kind of investors, but it has been a laggard. And it has remained one sort of a mystery, because there was never probably in the incident in the history where Reliance was known for this reason of being a laggard. Nevertheless, I think now in the final leg of catching up game, maybe Reliance and real estate, which have not participated, may find some money chasing these stocks. As far as that QE2 point that we have been discussing, that now the deficit levels that US has been seeing after this QE2 will reach the highest levels after Second World War. So that means literally US is running war financing without war. So, I mean, we are talking about something historic. Fed, as of now, has not lost credibility, but it is somewhere close to that.
All right, the Fed's credibility, I think, is going to be under question for many, many years to come, Jagan. The other stock that I want to talk about, and I think Daljit alluded to it to an extent, was State Bank of India at 3,429. Why would anybody want to buy State Bank of India?
This kind of market, when you have to play the larger team and the liquidity is coming in, you have to be along with the market. And as was said, that there is no point in fighting with the tape, and be along with the wave. But yes, for a rational long-term investors, definitely there is a case that booking some profits, because many of the stocks are at all-time highs. Take some profits out. There may be still rally left, but you can take some profits out. But for the guys who want to enjoy the momentum, I think it's a dream market that is going on.
As someone said, Ira, no price is too high to buy, no price is too low to sell.
Reminiscences of stock operator. Coal India, to the volumes, when you said that has brought very interesting this thing. That means total volume that traded in Coal India today was about 20,000 crores. That is, on a typical day, NSE, BSE cash put together doesn't trade 20,000 crores. That means probably this should go into history. I'm sure if the records is seen, maybe this should be one of those days when in terms of just cash, leave alone F&O portion, NSE cash and BSE cash put together, this must be the highest day maybe on the records. And as far as the stock performance, that is absolutely in line with, I think, had it been otherwise, it would have been a big surprise. And 345 was a stunner.
So
right?
They've added 60,000 crores in market cap on top of what they would have got in terms of market cap at 245, the issue price.
So that is the
on day one.
What the market is saying is, give the reasonable valuation, we will treat you much better than, I mean, we will give you a valuation that more than probably even you would have. For example, had they put 280 or 300 rupees as the price band, probably today would have seen a 260 kind of listing. That kind of disappointment, lot of feel good factor. So suddenly it is giving 340. So naturally, what the message to the divestment secretary or a divestment department is clear, that you treat us fairly, we will treat you much better. And for a good looking girl, there will always be suitors.
Power Grid, Jagan, opens up on the 9th, I think, the FPO. It's an FPO.
FPO, IPO, there is a huge difference in the way the whole game goes. And I believe simply because Coal India does well, we should not get carried away, and it's altogether a different ball game. Because FPOs are always ironical in the sense the issue price of the FPO and its own market price always keep competing with each other. So, and moreover, in India there is no concept of suspension of the stock at the time of FPO. That makes it a little more tricky for the pricing of the FPOs, because hedge funds and FIs immediately short the stock and bring the price below the issue price and making it look not so attractive, so that they'll get much bigger chunk of allotment. So that way, I think globally there is a practice of suspending the stock about week to 10 days around the time of FPO. And unless that practice is followed, I believe FPO may not able to attract the kind of excitement that what IPOs could able to.
All right, fair enough. Jagan, thanks for coming into our studios. Appreciate your time.
Thanks.
Happy Deepavali to you from everybody here at NDTV Profit. Daljit, great having you with us here on the show as well. Wish you a very happy Deepavali from everybody here on the channel. on the team. Thanks so much. I'm going to go